I study for exams to get good grades. She takes dance lessons twice a week. He fixes his bicycle tire puncture. We go on a road trip to explore new places. They play soccer at the local field. The moon shines brightly in the night sky. The stars twinkle above us. The computer processes information quickly. My friend shares her secrets with me. The baby crawls and explores the room. I check my email for new messages. She takes photographs of nature and wildlife. He walks his dog in the park every morning. We have a family dinner every Sunday. They enjoy playing board games with friends. The sun warms the earth's surface. The birds sing their beautiful melodies. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher explains the lesson to the students. My sister plays the guitar in a band. I water the plants in the garden every evening. She enjoys watching romantic comedies on weekends. He listens to podcasts while driving to work. We go for a jog in the park every morning. They practice their dance routine for the recital. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The birds build their nests in the tall trees. The baby giggles and plays with toys. The teacher provides guidance to the students. My sister plays the flute in the school band. I water the plants in the greenhouse. She writes poetry to express her emotions. He practices his basketball skills at the court. We have a family game night every Friday. They enjoy hiking in the mountains. The river meanders through the countryside. The waves crash against the rocks. The plane takes off from the runway. My parents encourage me to follow my dreams. The cat hunts for mice in the backyard. I study for exams to achieve good grades. She takes swimming lessons at the local pool. He fixes a leaky faucet in the bathroom. We go on a road trip to visit new places. They play volleyball on the beach. The moon illuminates the night sky. The stars twinkle above us. The computer processes information quickly. My friend shares her thoughts and ideas with me. The baby crawls and explores the room.